Hello, welcome to the Carthage College Hedberg Library Web of Science tutorial. My name is Danelle Orange and I am the Digital and Instructional Archivist here at Carthage College. To get to Web of Science, you go to our library webpage, click on Library. Under Library Services, scroll down, click on Library Catalog and Research, and then you'll find yourself at our homepage for LibGuides. To get to Web of Science, click on All Electronic Resources, click on W, and then click on Web of Science. Once you're on the Web of Science website, you can see a number of features here. First, there is a basic search you can do. There's an author search where you can search for authors of papers, cited references, and an advanced search. We're going to use the basic search. So I searched for the topic of puppies. And here I can see a large number of results. I have 164 pages of results and 1,635 specific articles. From here, I can refine my results. On the left side, I can filter my results by open access resources, which means that the full text is available for free elsewhere online. I can limit myself by publication years, so if I'm only interested in articles from the last 5 years, I can check those numbers, like so. If I'm interested in specific categories such as veterinary sciences or behavioral science, I can choose that as well. We also have document types. You can choose what kind of document you're looking for. We'll be looking for articles specifically, so I'll check that. I can see which organizations perform the most research. And down here, I can see funding agencies, authors, and source titles if I need to look for more information. But now that we've limited ourselves to these results, let's hit our refine button and we can refine our search. We limited our results to 501. Up here under more, we can see exactly what it did, which is it refined by document type and publication years. So if you're confused about what's being shown you, you can look at this section right here to discover what exactly it's searching. Over on the right side, we can see a bunch of information about the specific results. You can see the number of times the item has been cited, how many times it's been used. Remember, just because an article hasn't been cited that often doesn't mean it's a bad article. It could just be new. Note that a lot of the ones right now that haven't been cited were published in the last month. It's currently March 2020, and most of these are from February and January. That doesn't mean it's a bad article, it just means that it's new. Once we find an article that we like, we can click on it. I'm going to click on this one. Now that we're at the article, we can see who's published the article, what the journal title is, and also the abstract. This abstract will let us know exactly if we want to read more of this article. Under keywords, we can see author keywords. These are keywords added by the author. And then keywords plus, which are added by the publisher of Web of Science. We can also, if we go all the way to the bottom, look at all of the cited references. Here we can see all of the cited references. These are all of the references that the author of this paper had cited. From here, we can look at more research that might be related to what we're looking for. That means if I'm interested in how you cover real-time events, I can look at this article, which is Tweet First, Verify Later. It has been cited 61 times. So that means even though this article itself has not been cited before, articles that this person has used to write their paper have been cited. And we can look at those citations to figure out if we have more articles that are related to the topic we're interested in. To look at those, just click on the number. Here we can see all of the articles that cited that previous article. That means we can look at research about training algorithms to help people assess the credibility of social media sources, how the news, mobile phones, mobilities, and meeting points all interact. And we can see a whole bunch of articles that have been cited before as well. This is a good way to expand your search. Web of Science, however, is not a full-text database. So if you're looking for a full-text article, I suggest you look at one of our other videos to help you find that full-text article in our resources. Web of Science is a great tool because it searches so broadly and has a number of facets that you won't find anywhere else. It is wonderful for doing your research, especially if you're looking at science. This has been your Web of Science tutorial. I hope you have a great day.